Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Ramya Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding transforming XML documents. So Java API for XML processing, or JAXP, read as JAXP, one of the Java XML application programming interfaces, provide the capability of transforming between DOM, SAX and stream representations of XML documents. So it has three basic parsing interfaces: the document object model parsing interface, or DOM interface, the simple API for XML parsing interface, or SAX interface, the streaming API for XML, or STAX interface. So XSLT, XML style sheet language for transformations interface to provide data and structural transformations on an XML document. Here, input from stream to DOM, modify DOM and output as stream. So this is the transforming between XML representations. DOM-based XML parsing converts a text formatted XML document into a DOM object tree by using a JAXP factory method. Now let's see how to convert a DOM tree into an XML text document, that is, reverse the parsing operation and produce a textual representation of an internal DOM tree. This task can be accomplished in JAXP. jax.xml.transform.dom source, and again the SAX source, and transform.stream.stream source representing a DOM SAX or text representation of an XML document respectively. So the result interface is implemented by JAXP classes like DOM result, SAX result and stream result. So now we will see what is XSL. So extensible style sheet language allows you to extract information from one XML text document and uses that information to create another format. For example, XHTML or HTML. CSS is equal to style sheets for HTML. Like HTML uses predefined tags. How to display each tag is well understood. CSS is used to add styles to HTML elements, and XSL style sheets for XML. It does not use predefined tags, and therefore the meaning of each tag is not well understood. So XSL is basically a template language. So it transforms the XML into XHTML using XSLT. A standard way to transform XML data into other formats like XHTML, HTML or plain text is by extensible style sheet language transformation. So XSLT uses style sheets to convert XML into other data formats. You can convert part or all of an XML document and select or rearrange the data using the XPath query language and the built-in functions of XSLT. So this is the transformation. Here XSLT style sheet, XML document, XSLT processor. So here XML, HTML, text and document are result. So here XSL. So XSL consists of three parts by W3 recommendations. So first one is XSLT, a language for transforming XML documents. XPath, a language for navigating in XML documents. XSL formatting objects, a language for formatting, defining style properties and XML documents. So here we see an example of an XSL. Here first we have an XML document in which we have all the data which is related to a student, and after that if we want to, like for example, if we have 60 students in a class, so all their name, their roll number and marks has been stored in an XML document. So here we will use an XSLT like for transforming that XML into an XHTML. So here we are having a web page in which we have to retrieve all the XML data for all the students, like for 60 students, and we have to display as a tabular format in a web page. So once an XML has been created and it is used mainly for storing and retrieving the data, and now that XML document is converted into XHTML for an XML document which has been stored, the 60 students data will be retrieved and showed as a table format in an XHTML or in a web page. So for that we are using an XSLT for transforming that XML document into an HTML. So in that So in that XSLT, first we will use the template match, so that we have to traverse through that XML document, and we have to find the student information, the root element like student, and then after that inside the student we will be storing the name, the roll number and the marks. So we have to match the template, and then we have to retrieve all the data by using a for each element. So for each is like a for or looping statement like C or Java program, and then for each value of all the XML document, and then it will retrieve the document, and then it will store it in, it will display it in an XHTML. Thank you.